Oh god. I don't really know how to start this, but all I can say is that I'm in this pretty funny sort of character physics thing where if it gets hit by an object that is going pretty fast, or like an object with a high velocity, it basically damages and ragdolls the player. So for some reason my recorder is like lagging, or like my Roblox is lagging for some reason. I don't know why. Ouch! Boom! Oh my god. That is not supposed to happen. Okay, and I just got insta-killed. Wow. Yes, I slipped. Oh no. Ah! There's somebody parts down there. Uh-oh. No. 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 I slipped. Oh my god. How that somehow bounced on my bald head. Yoink. Yoink. No! Okay, I almost had it. Uh Anyways, that's all. It's pretty funny because yes, I will and also this is kind of a half teaser because I will be using this for the stupid disaster game that I'm making. Wow. Boom. Yoink. I sleep. Uh-oh. Okay. How are the some of the stupid parts not damaging me? That's very weird. Yoink. Oh! Boom! Boom! Crap. Uh-oh. Boom! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! No! Boom! Okay, never mind. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye.